Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do when your smartphone, especially Samsung Galaxy, looks like this. I've been trying everything, home button, power button, and everything in almost all combination, all duration, doesn't help, didn't help. It just remained black with this lightning bolt and the battery icon, and I did a lot of research and nothing helped. But finally I have found a combination on my own which helped, and this was the combination. It was the home button and it was the power button, and additionally it was the volume down, and it was not plugged in, so that's also important because some of the solutions say the phone has to be plugged in or not plugged in. So when it helped me, when it worked for me, it was not plugged in, and I was pressing home button, power button and volume down on the same time. So that's really awesome, and it was the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. But as far as I've heard, most of the combinations to reset, factory reset or whatever, should work on most of the Samsung Galaxy phones. Some even work for other Android phones as well. So I definitely can recommend to any Samsung Galaxy phones, especially the S6, or maybe even any Android phone. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.